Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Martin CA. In this video I'm going to show us how to claim Frozen Anvil Airdrop. So without wasting much time, I want to encourage us, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do me fit to encourage us to support us by subscribing to our channel and clicking the like button and the bell notification so that I get notified each time I upload fresh content. I upload steady content on how to make money online and how to also make money on crypto and also crypto airdrops. So I'm going to go straight to the course. The requirement for this course is your Trust Wallet. If you don't have Trust Wallet, go to the Play Store or Apple Store to download Trust Wallet. Then another thing you'll be needing, you're going to need a little quantity of BNB for transaction fee, and your mobile phone or your internet as well. So guys, this is my Trust Wallet. and open up my Trust Wallet. So when it loads up, you go to DApp. So when you go to DApp, I'm going to open the platform. I'm going to drop the link to this airdrop on the description box, but if you can't copy it, if you are using mobile, I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram channel so that you can connect to my Telegram and copy the link for this airdrop, the Frozen Anvil. So we are loading up the airdrop page for Frozen Anvil. So mind you, when you are loading up this link for the first time, this place you're going to show Ethereum. So you're going to change it, tap it, you change it to Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain. So wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, okay, so it has loaded. So we're going to scroll down so you can find out time to read through, go through the website of Frozen Anvil and the white paper as well. You can read the white paper, download and read. You see PancakeSwap listing to be listed on PancakeSwap in the next 53 days. So guys, this is hot. So you see raise target. So they have raised about 5 BNB. Their target is 1000 BNB for pre-sale. So if you want to buy, please, I'm not a financial advisor, ensure you do your due diligence research before you buy this token at the pre-sale price. So we're going to go straight to the airdrop. Click on pre-sale/airdrop and it opens. You want to buy, but now we're not going to buy. We want to claim our 1000 Anvil. So, and you can as well get or accumulate more Anvil by doing a referral. When you refer someone, you get 70% Anvil, and when the person and 30% BNB from referrals. So each time they buy, get 30% BNB from referral. So any amount they buy, let's assume they buy 1 BNB, you get 30% of 1 BNB, just like that. So we're going to click on claim airdrop. Okay, Frozen Anvil, want to connect your wallet. So all you need to do, connect your wallet. I'm going to connect my wallet right away. So it says smart contract call. So you're going to deduct 85 cents worth of BNB with a total spending of $1.02. So I'm going to approve this transaction right now. So click on approve. So the transaction is being approved. So it's going to reflect on our platform, on our Trust Wallet account. But right now, because we've not Frozen Anvil is not on Trust Wallet right now, we're going to add the token address or add the token itself manually or customly. So we're going to go, how do we get the custom address, the address of the token Frozen Anvil? We're going to go straight to the Binance chain and copy it. So go to Binance scan. So we're going to go there. Once it loads up, we're going to copy This is the contract address. We'll copy the contract address. We'll go back. You add custom token. So click on custom. Change this network to smart chain. Paste the address you copy. You see Frozen Anvil. You see symbol ANVIL decimal 18. So just click done. Wow, you see we have 1000 Anvil on our Trust wallet. So guys, this is how to claim that 1000 Anvil airdrop. So guys, claim as quick as possible, because very soon to be listed on PancakeSwap in 53 days time. So refer as many as you can. Refer your friends, refer your family, your loved ones, refer even your enemies. So guys, I'm going to show you also how to refer. So all you don't need to do, as you just come here, click on receive, copy this address. This is your Anvil address. Then we'll go back to DApp. We'll go to DApp, we'll go back to FrozenAnvil. As it loads up, so you see where they say referral, enter your BEP20 wallet address. So I'm going to drop my BEP20 wallet address here. Click on get referral link. So a referral link will be generated. Once it's generated, I'll copy it. So you see the referral link is already generated, so I'm copying it. So guys, this is what you're going to share across, your social platforms. Anyone that clicks on it and complete this airdrop, you get your 70% bonus Anvil. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to share. Click the notification button, so the bell icon, so that I get notified when and each time I upload fresh content. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be uploading more content soon, so do me free to come back to check my channel for more fresh content on how to make money and how to claim airdrops as well. Thank you so much, and bye for now.